Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, Earth sign. This reading is about your person current feelings and their intentions for the month of April. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see their current feelings. Taurus. Oh my god, another deck, the Tower with 10 of Wands. I think you are in separation with your person. Maybe for some you are in no contact. Even though you are in contact, this is on and off connection for sure. So right now your person feeling overburdened and the Tower moment. Right now your person going through a lot in their life. The Tower with 10 of Wands. Yes, lot of things are going in your person's life. So let's see their feelings. Four of Swords. Right now they are not talking to you. Four of Swords energy, they are healing their self from past hurts. They want to heal their self. Four of Swords, doing meditation, healing their self. But they're thinking, yes, they're thinking about you, they're obsessed with you. And Eight of Pentacles. So now they want to work on this relationship. Maybe something happened between you and your person, some fightings. In past, maybe your person concentrating on their career, neglecting you, but now they are obsessed with you. They want to work on this relationship. Eight of Pentacles, but it is again slow moving energy. Five of Swords. So yes, there is fighting between both of you. There are some arguments. Maybe in past they cheated on you, lied to you. For some it could be third party situation also. Taurus. And the Devil. Yes, for some this person may be toxic for you and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. So the Devil, definitely they're obsessed with you. They are heavily obsessed with you. Maybe for some you person addicted to some bad habits also. Yes, there is a lot of obsession and your person right now healing their self and they're thinking about to work on this relationship. They can't let you go. That's why they're obsessed with you. Maybe they are very dominative in this connection. Their feelings are to work on this relationship and yes, still there are some disturbances, some fightings between both of you, but still they want to work on this relationship. But maybe for some this person may be toxic for you, the Devil. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn. So let's see their intentions towards you. Two cards. Taurus. Your person intentions. Again the Tower moment. Yes, your person is stuck right now. Eight of Swords under the deck. And one thing guys, I started another new channel, Good Energy Tarot Hindi, for exclusively Hindi people. So if you want Hindi readings, do subscribe my channel. I will give link in the description box. Check it and subscribe exclusively for Hindi audience. So for English, I will post this in this channel. So your person feeling stuck, Eight of Swords energy right now. So they're planning something, they really want to work on this relationship, they are thinking but not executing any plan right now because they're feeling stuck. Right now your person is guarded up, they're not talking to you because in their life they're going through a lot. Again, two times Tower card came in this reading. Definitely your person going through a lot in their life. So right now that's why they're guarded up, they're not talking to you. They are healing their self. And Queen of Wands with 10 of Wands. So your person is also very creative, very passionate person, very workaholic person for some also. And 10 of wands with the devil. I think they want you, but they don't want commitment. I think uh, there is no commitment in this relationship in past. They're feeling like it is hard work for them. Still they're feeling overburdened. Still, but 8 of Pentacles here they are thinking about to work on this relationship, but actually in action wise, intention wise, they still again feeling overburdened because thinking is different from actions. So in thinking wise they're thinking but not executing. In planning wise they're not executing, they're planning. Yes, still your person going through a lot. They're feeling stuck. They're unable to make any move, to be honest. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energy. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Taurus. Magician. Ten of Cups. Hermit. And another deck, Temperance with the Sun. So there is no balance in this connection. Maybe you both want to restore balance in this connection, and you both are going through some transformation, working on your self growth especially, because the Hermit with the Temperance, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius, fire energy, and Magician. So one person in this connection could be a player, it could be your person, but right now they're undergoing some transformation. It could be you also because these are the mutual cards. So 10 of Cups, you both want this happiness, but one person is committed but another person is not committed to this relationship. Still you person feeling overburdened. That's why maybe you person undergoing some transformation, but you both want this thing but it is not happening right now. Maybe one person trying to manifest this happiness into reality. One more card. High Priestess. I think one person is manifesting something big into their life, like career. The Magician with High Priestess. I think this is a spiritual connection between both of you. Even though you both are separated, you both feel your energies. And High Priestess with 7 of Pentacles. I think you both are putting waiting mode on each other. This waiting period could be for some very, very long. Definitely both are waiting on each other, waiting for each other, because High Priestess with 7 of Pentacles. But again it is spiritual. Right now your person feeling, to be honest, their intentions, they're thinking about to take action but not executing their plan, to be honest. Yes, maybe they're not taking any physical action but they want to manifest you. So let's see some messages from your person end. I have regrets. Yes, your person feeling regret. Lot of abundance is coming. The messages are passion. I'm feeling sad without you. This person is sneaky. Decision time. Yes, for some, this person is sneaky for you because the devil is here. Definitely this person is still sneaky and toxic for you. If you know that your person is keep putting in third party or they're not giving any priority, there is no point to wait for that person anymore. Decision time. I'm feeling sad without you. Lot of abundance is coming. So it's a decision time for one person in this connection or for you both, and they are feeling sad without you. And passion, yes, still there is passion, still they are attracted to you, still there is obsession, they are obsessed with you. The devil card is here. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. Thank you.